007. It's a cool little trick right here. Get you a Q-tip. Use some brake lubricant instead of getting your fingers dirty, you know. Put a little on the Q-tip, and what you want to do is carefully apply it to where the brake pads slide at. So that way you ain't get your fingers dirty or anything, and you can get in there nice and good too. So again, thanks to Lynn for that. I definitely appreciate that. Once you get your sliders lubricated, get one of your new brake pads. Now when you get brake pads, make sure they have that little anti-squeal shimmy.